Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, my name is Ankit Parmar and I'm a student of first year civil engineering of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Me and my teammates has done this project of biomedical waste management under the BWell activity with the guidance of Akash Ingle sir. What is biomedical waste? Any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, testing, research, immunization or production of biological products for humans or animals is known as biomedical waste. Terminologies: hospital waste, it refers to all waste such as biological or non-biological or discarded and is not intended for future use. Medical waste, it refers to waste generated as a result of patient diagnosis, treatment, immunization of human or animals. Infectious waste, it is the part of medical waste that could transmit on infectious disease. Pathological waste, waste removed during the surgery, autopsy or other medical procedures is called pathological waste. Sources of healthcare waste. The major sources include hospital, laboratories, research centers, animal research, blood bank, nursing homes, and mortuaries. The minor sources include clinic, dental clinic, home care, cosmetic clinic, paramedic, funeral services, and institutions. Hospital waste classification. In the total biomedical waste produced, 75 to 90% is non-hazardous and the rest 10 to 25% is hazardous, in which 15 to 18% is infectious, which includes liquid waste, plastic disposals, sharps and non-sharps, and the other hazardous are 5 to 7%, which includes radioactive waste, discarded glass, pressurized container, chemical waste, cytotoxic waste, and incinerator ash. Composition of biomedical waste. 80% of the waste produced is non-infectious, 15% is pathological and infectious, 3% is chemical and pharmaceutical waste, 1% is radioactive, cytotoxic, and heavy metals, and the rest 1% is sharps. Hazards associated with hospital wastes are hepatitis A, B, C, HIV, typhoid, cholera, environmental pollution, and many other diseases. Decontamination of hospital waste. We should use things such as disposable gloves, disposable syringes, disposable needles. We can also perform chemical decontamination, which includes the use of bleach around 10 gram in 1 liter of water and hypochlorite solution minimum 1%. We can also deep bury the used syringes, gloves, and needles. Waste category and type of waste. There are mainly 9 types of waste, which include human anatomical waste, animal waste, microbiological and biotechnical waste, waste scrap, discarded medicine and cytotoxin waste, soil waste, liquid waste, incineration waste, and chemical waste. Tips while dealing with infectious waste: use a bin with proper lid, label the bin with biohazardous waste and the type of waste it will carry, wear protective gear while handling such kind of waste, change the polythene bag when it is filled till the 3/4 mark. Before transferring the waste, it should be tightly sealed. Pilot study. According to a recent report published, medical waste management market costs are expected to rise from $13.2 billion in 2020 to $14.8 billion in 2021. Hospitals around the world produce around 5.9 million tons of waste annually, in which about 1.07 million tons of waste produced each year is biohazard waste. If we talk about our own state, Maharashtra generate around 53,385 kg of biomedical waste a day in 2018. It further increased to 62,740 kg a day in 2019 and 71,511 kg a day in 2020. The district-wise data from the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board shows that Mumbai generates the highest amount of biomedical waste in the state, which is around 14,000 kg a day, followed by Pune 12,000 kg a day, Nagpur 10,000 kg a day, and Nasik 8,000 kg a day. Most successful medical waste disposal solutions. Autocalving. It is a sterilization method that uses pressure steam. This process works by the concept that the boiling point of water or steam increases when it is under pressure. Autocalving can inactive fungus, bacteria, spores, viruses, and other microorganisms on surgical instruments. Chemical disinfection. Chemical disinfectants are chemical substances which are used to kill or deactivate pathogenic microorganisms. Some type of biohazard waste can be disinfected chemically. Then they can be deposited in a landfill where they won't pose any threat of spreading infections. Encapsulation. One type of biohazard waste known as sharps requires special precautions to be taken. Used syringes, scalpels, and other sharp medical instruments need to be encapsulated in a properly labeled puncture resistance container and placed in an appropriate spot. At last, I would like to thank Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, for giving me and my team such a wonderful opportunity.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.